Next up today we've got a 1958 Hiawatha, 10 horsepower. These were made by Scott Atwater. So you'll see these same engines with many different cowlings on it depending on who sold the engine. Corsair, Hiawatha, Firestone, Scott Atwater of course, Scott. They were all the same engine pretty much. This one I got at a swap meet early this year. And it looks so cool with the fins. I just had to have it, but it was in really rough condition. All the paint was pretty much peeling off of it. It did turn over, but it was all there. The handle was broken off, but I just went through the thing like you do with any other engine. Ignition, cooling system. I put new seals in the gear case, and it ran. They always run. Just today I broke the choke knob off. I still have, so I'll have to epoxy that back on there. Kind of bummed about that, but let's go for a ride, see how it goes. Initially this had a little bit of a whine to the gear case, which surprised me when I put it in gear, indicating it might have been shimmed wrong, like a pinion sound to it, but that's gone away, and the gear case is still on there. So we're just going to keep running it. The gear, I checked the gear oil, it was clean, so maybe it was just shimmed tight at the factory. I don't know, maybe it was at the extreme of intolerance. So let's go for a ride. This one does have a telltale on it, which is kind of cool. I know people freak out about these last 10 horsepower that Scott made because the water pump is up in here, but it pumps fine. You put a good impeller in it. Make sure it's deep enough in the water when you first start it. They're fine. So let's go for a ride. Start it up again. I want to show you reverse. Have it. So I was showing off trying to get it to idle real slow and it stalled, but this engine runs great. It's completely stock. I just really had to, like I said, service it. It's got a stock prop on it. There's really nothing crazy. The most work was just refinishing it because it was kind of unsightly. But we're gonna add this one to the collection. Got one more fin model to add to my Firestone that I've got. That's got fins that are actually a little bit different than that. So if you see one of these, which I'm not sure if you will, it's the first one I ever saw, but if you do see one, don't shy away. It's just a Scott Atwater 10 horsepower, and you can pretty much get everything you need to make it run right and enjoy it. Run them if you got them.